I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select MailPoet. Choose a form. Next. Now search for Action Zoho CRM. Select respective data center. Now for client ID and client secret, please visit Zoho API console. Click on Get Start. Choose server-based applications. Give a name. Copy homepage URL and redirect URL from authorization page. And paste it here. Now click on Create. You can see client ID and client secret. Copy this and paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Click on Accept. Authorized successfully done. Click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see some advanced options and conditional logic. As per your requirement, you can use this. Click on Next. Our integration successfully done. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Let's go to Zoho CRM. On Lead module, reload this page. You can see data is created in Lead module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.